So I just want to show you the kind of compounds for the S23, which places the S22. We've got 5 compounds on the rear. So this tyre is obviously well used. So this is the new edge compound. You can see the difference in wear. So this is what you're using on track and you're not necessarily using on road. And this gives you more corner speed and reduction in lap times because this is completely new. This kind of section here is more your road use, and same with the centre section. Now this side this is all new, so is this, so are the grooves. The grooves disperses the water to give you more wet weather performance, which Bridgestone claim has improved with the 23. We've also got 8% more longevity. So you've essentially got 1 compound, 2 compounds, 3, 4 and 5. And then on the front, again, you can clearly see the different compounds. So you've got your edge compound, 1, 2, 3. So we're just finishing up on the launch of the new 23 from Bridgestone. They promised it would have more edge grip, which would improve corner speed, which would reduce lap times, which it appears to have done. We've not got the 22 here, which is an excellent tyre, but if the 23 is better than the 22, then Bridgestone have done a remarkable job, and there's no complaints from the launch here in Kyalami. Obviously we need to test this tyre a little bit further. We need to test wet grip and longevity, but Bridgestone claim they've improved longevity by 8% and they've improved wet performance. But as in terms of here in Kyalami, it's a big thumbs up. Thanks to Bridgestone, thanks to everybody for organising it. If you get the opportunity, ride Kyalami.